Good morning, everybody. How are you doing this fine morning? It is Saturday, and we're going to take this load to the scrapyard, get it turned into some cash, and then we're going to do some treasure hunting as long as it doesn't rain us out. It's a little overcast today, but let's get to it. All right, we had a whopping 340 pounds for $14.45. Not bad for a one-man band. So anyway, let's go back out and see what else we can find. There's a step ladder. Want a step ladder? Fluorescent bulbs. Some tin sheets down here buried. So in case you're wondering, Bob is at the doctor's this morning, getting a follow-up on his legs. So hopefully I'll have some news for you during the next video on where he's at, where he stands, and what the doctor has to say about him coming back on the road with us. Hopefully he'll be allowed to get back to us very soon. Oh, hello. There's some aluminum, some steel. It's a whirlybird. Plastic, it's got some metal, aluminum plate, some copper. I think I'm going to take that. Sometimes I look at things, I go, is it more plastic than it is metal? This is right on the fence there, but I think I'm going to take it just the same. Ooh, pretty, so pretty. But some of my e-waste junkie friends out there with Romantic and those guys might get their hands on that probably. What else we got? Ooh. Well, it's one of those brass kick plates for a door, but not brass, tin. See that there? It's like a cardinal on a wooden thing. I'm curious as to what that is. Looks like that could be a cord. Getting out the latest project by ShaneMan TV. I redid this hook. So let's see what we got here. It is a cord. Oh no. It was a pump. So that's probably some sort of a outdoor pump for your yard. What in the world are all those? Pea pads? There they are, they're pea pads. Why wouldn't you donate those? Pea pads, huh? Oh, what do you think? Definitely a pump. It's cute. Just gonna stick it on my parents' yard as a joke. I want to take it with me. I think it's kind of cute. Well, hello, Mr. Heater. I'll have to grab my cutters. some people ask me sometimes, like, why do you park so far away from where your dumpster is? And sometimes it's really about a matter of not wanting somebody coming out and going, what's he doing throwing stuff in my dumpster? And so you just want to keep that distance a little bit, you know, so people don't think you're doing some illegal dumping or something like that. Yeah, it's getting a little bit breezy out here, boys and girls, so I apologize for probably the feedback you're hearing in the microphone right now. Whoa, we got 2 sweepers. Or is that a power washer? That is a power washer. A long ass cord. Go. All right, not a bad start to the dumpsters. They're metal. I got a cart here too. Look at that, Bosch Bulldog hammer drill tip. Huh, never been used. I don't think it's ever been used. Curious as to what this is on here. Oh my gosh, you know what that is? You know what that is? That's a vending machine, candy machine thing. Oh my word. Check it out. It's got stuffed animals in there. Huh. How cool is that? There's part of the quarter mechanism. There's the part of the thing right there. I wish I would have got that ladder out of the first dumpster, huh? Alright, so there's that part of it. And I think that's part of it too. That's the keep block part of it. Oh, I'm going to get that up out of there. Almost. Got it. Nice. I can't believe I got that out of there. Alright. So we're still missing that part of it right there that this sits down into. There it is. Gosh, could this thing be complete? Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Other than the key, it looks like it's complete. Look at that. What a score. Woo! That's awesome. That made my day. Looks like we got a little something poking out at us here. A little grill or something. Tiny grill. We don't pick up grills anymore, but something like this size is a no-brainer, you know what I mean? It'll lay flat. Alright, so I sent Bob a picture of the gumball machine and I put down, look at what I found. Miss me yet? I said, what did the doctor say? He said, wow, that's cool. Did you get it for me? Well, I've got to have a procedure in December in my legs, multiple blocks in left, some in the right. I miss going out. I said, I know you do. We all miss you too. Do you have any words for the subscribers I can read on this video? He says, thanks for all your prayers. I will be back soon as I get these legs taken care of. You better watch out. I'll have some beautiful legs. Maybe I should wear some shorts, LOL. Or do you want to see some tan lines? LOL. Anyway, love to you all. So there you go. There's your daily message from Bob. Well, the rain is here. But we will not let that stop us. There's a tiny bit of copper in there. Not a lot. Well, there's some more back in there. This rain is cold on my bald head. Okay. So I just sent a picture over to Kylie, a friend of mine, that her whole life is pretty much dedicated to helping animals. That's pretty cool. And I sent her a picture of those pee pads, and she's like, yes, I want them. It'll be so helpful. So, save the pee pads from the dumpster. I think they're going to go help animals in need, which is pretty cool. Look at that, man. Last Supper. You know I gotta keep that, right? That's wicked cool. Wicked gaudy. Well, I love that frame. That could be a really old frame. Let's see what this looks like here. Oh wow, another Jesus. Yeah, velvet. Painted on velvet. Jesus on velvet, buddy. Gotta have it. Halo recessed lighting. Hello. Oh, hello. There we go. Come on, rain, give me a break here. Exhaust fan. Stupid rain. big ass motor on that fan, man. That's aluminum. Aluminum on the outside anyway. Oh, there we go. Some wire action. Switch. Yeah, there we go. Oh, cool. Let's get some weight to it. There we go, another one of those. Looks like a brand new. Oh, it's probably the one they replaced. All right, that's brand new. Nope. Nope, not brand new. Tricked me, didn't they? Ooh, there we go. Small copper action right there. Look at that big old light. That's plastic. Plastic. Oh, there's the other light. There it is. Let's get our hooks for that one. Well, guys, I'm getting cold. I'm getting wet. So I'm going to wrap it up. I don't know if we have really that long of a video, but I guess it is what it is. So if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. That helps that YouTube algorithm. And thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully Bob will be back in a while, but peace out, everybody. Have a great week, and we'll see you later. Take care.